So, welcome back, friends. So, we had a very difficult session on Wall Street yesterday. For those who have been following my videos, I had mentioned in the early part of the week, in fact, Monday itself, I had mentioned that this week will be a rather difficult one for Wall Street. And in fact, but for the Wednesday rally rebound, as you would like to call it, the markets have been extremely circumspect, and the big tech has been falling not only this week but even many days in the last week as well. In the United States, fresh data has stoked fears over a possible recession and apprehension that the Federal Reserve could be running a little bit behind the curve as far as cutting interest rates are concerned. The initial jobless claims rose the most since August of 2023. The ISM Manufacturing Index, which is a barometer of factory activity in any part of the world. You have China, every country has its own ISM index, United States has its own. So that has come in at 46.8%, which is worse than expected and is signaling economic contraction taking place at a rather rapid pace. And the after effects of poor economic data emanating out of the US was also reflected in the 10-year Treasury yield, which dropped below 4% for the first time since February. Net result of all this is going to be echoing in the Asian markets as they get ready to open for trading on Friday. The Japanese Nikkei is expected to open 4% lower based on the Nikkei futures as they are trading at this point of time. We have Australian index also. As far as futures are concerned, they could be tumbling 2% down. The South Korean Kospi could be down 2.5%. And so the Hong Kong Hang Seng Index futures are currently at 17,047, lower than the last close of 17,304. So everywhere you're seeing about a 2% cut across the board. Similar thing could be echoing even in India, the Nifty and the Bank Nifty as they open for trading on Friday. The weakening of the sentiment is a net result of poor economic data, and that is reflecting not only in the United States but in other parts of the world as well. So here we have the US Federal Reserve showing some promise of cutting interest rates in its September FOMC meeting. And on the other hand, we have the various other economic data showing contraction in economic activity. So whether the Federal Reserve is behind the curve or there is something else which is going on, please do join our Prime or Prime Plus Telegram groups, which are addressed specifically for the US markets, the Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ. We give you predictions of the markets a few days, few weeks, and a few months in advance, so you can get that competitive advantage as an investor and do better than people who are not so well prepared. To join these groups, the Prime and the Prime Plus, you can WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. You can also email us at globalmoneyinvestor@gmail.com. Happy investing and take care. Bye-bye.